In the quiet heart of January, when the land appears lifeless, when soil is cold, compacted, and stripped of vitality, something extraordinary begins beneath the surface. Daikon radish, also known as Raphanus sativus var. Longipinatus, is sometimes called the natural soil drill. Dead soil is often not dead, it is suffocating. Years of compaction block air, water, and roots from moving freely. Daikon radish changes that. This plant grows a powerful, vertical taproot that punches deep into hardened soil, sometimes more than 1 meter down. As the root grows, it fractures compacted layers that no shovel or tiller can reach. Then, when winter cold kills the plant, the root decomposes, leaving behind deep channels. These channels become highways for water, oxygen, fungi, and earthworms. By early spring, soil that once repelled roots becomes soft, open, and alive. Daikon radish also feeds soil microbes, releasing sugars that stimulate bacterial and fungal growth, the foundation of healthy soil. In January, even in cool climates, daikon seeds can be sown in mild regions or prepared in beds for early germination. This is not just a plant, it is biological engineering. Field peas, or Pisum sativum, are known as the nitrogen restorers. Dead soil lacks nitrogen, the fuel of plant growth. Field peas are masters of restoration. Through a powerful partnership with beneficial bacteria, peas capture nitrogen from the air and store it directly in the soil. Tiny nodules form along their roots. Invisible factories producing fertility. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, this nitrogen does not burn the soil. It feeds it gently, building long-term health. Even in January, field peas grow steadily in cool conditions, protecting bare soil from erosion while quietly rebuilding fertility beneath the surface. When cut down or left to die back, the plants decompose, releasing nitrogen slowly and naturally. The result? Soil that once produced weak, pale crops becomes dark, crumbly, and productive. Life returns, starting from the roots. Bare soil is dying soil. Sun scorches it, rain erodes it, wind strips it away. White clover solves this by becoming a living blanket. This low-growing plant spreads rapidly, protecting soil from temperature extremes while feeding it continuously. Like peas, clover fixes nitrogen. But it goes further. Its dense root network improves soil aggregation, allowing water to soak in instead of running off. Its constant leaf drop feeds microbes year-round. Even in January, clover remains active in many regions, quietly photosynthesizing and pumping sugars into the soil food web. Under clover, soil becomes cooler, wetter, richer, and full of life. This is how nature heals land without human effort. Some soils aren't just tired, they're sick. Pathogens, harmful fungi, and soil-borne pests accumulate over time, weakening crops season after season. Mustard greens bring medicine. Their roots release natural biofumigant compounds that suppress harmful organisms while leaving beneficial microbes unharmed. As mustard plants grow, they break compacted soil and pull up locked nutrients, especially sulfur and phosphorus. When cut down and left on the soil surface, they decompose rapidly, triggering a surge in microbial activity. In January, mustard thrives in cool weather, growing fast when other plants struggle. It doesn't just feed the soil, it cleans it. If soil is left naked in winter, it bleeds nutrients away. Ryegrass prevents that loss. This plant grows aggressively in cold conditions, forming an extensive root system that holds soil together and captures nutrients that would otherwise leach away. Rye roots feed fungi, especially mycorrhizal networks that connect plants underground. These fungal highways transport water and nutrients, rebuilding soil structure from within. By January, ryegrass is already hard at work, protecting soil, feeding microbes, and preparing the ground for future crops. When cut down in spring, it becomes mulch, returning everything it borrowed. Dead soil is not empty, it is silent, and these plants, they know how to speak its language. They loosen what is tight, feed what is starving, heal what is broken. In January, when most people wait, nature rebuilds. Plant these 5 species, and the soil responds. Microbes multiply, earthworms return, structure forms, fertility rises. The ground comes back to life, and once soil is alive again, everything grows better.